Hey guys, good afternoon. Real quick, I got a few questions on my hair. So we're gonna do a real quick video trying to keep it under 10 minutes. So let's see if I can do it. My hair is been washed for about 2 days, I think, 3 days. I'm not sure. So just wake up, brush it, because I don't do much with it because I'm working from home, but there are 4 products that I use. They are the Living Proof. I have the Dry Volume Blast, the Flex Hairspray, also the dry shampoo, obviously, and then of course the heat styling spray. So real quick, my hair, I'm gonna go in with the dry shampoo. And I haven't even done this throughout the past few days because I haven't been fixing my hair. Today's been the first day this week that I've actually put on makeup. Just a little something, and I'm out of my pajamas. So just grab pieces of your hair, kind of split it, and just spray. There's no right way to do this. You just spray. What I do is you kind of wait a little bit if you want, kind of leave it. But look, I mean, already it's created so much volume, and it's just the dry shampoo. Like, I'm not doing anything else with it. Okay, so now what I do is go in with your heat styling spray. Again, do it however you want. I just spray it through my hair like this and really focus at the ends. And it smells really, really good. Doesn't take a lot of time. Anybody can do it. Okay, now that that's all in there, I am just going to split my hair into sections because I have a lot of hair. Probably not as much as I used to, but I will comb it out, just kind of not starting at the root of the hair, but just kind of at the bottom. I will split it, and I brush my hair through every time I curl. It's just kind of a habit, as if you were to straighten your hair. Same thing. But I'm gonna try not to do it because it does take a little bit more time, but not that long. So I'm using the T3 1 1/4 inch iron. I leave it on for about 3 seconds and I release. And of course, on the days where my hair is completely clean, where it's the next day, because I don't blow dry my hair at all, unless I take a shower really late at night. So when I wake up in the morning to go to work, if it's still damp underneath, kind of like around here, I will go with a blow dryer on low and just really get that area a little bit more dry. But other than that, I don't do anything. I don't blow dry it straight, because the stuff that I use, which I think I've probably talked about before, really is a dream. Like, I love it. And that stuff is by Color Wow, and it's called the Dream Coat. So now again, I'm kind of going through trying to find the sections. I'm trying to look in the mirror over here that I didn't curl. And basically 1, 2, 3, I kind of leave a little piece out and release. I think I grabbed some hair there. Again, grab, twist, leave some hair out. 1, 2, 3, release. And I do spend a little bit more time, maybe about 5 seconds, on the hair that frames my face, because that's the one that I really want to focus on. Everything else, it's just gonna be like an everyday wave where it's not completely curly, but you still have some kind of definition because of the wave. But normally on day 2 and 3, I won't have to recurl my hair at all. If I do, it's just a few pieces on the top. And then again, the pieces that shape or that surround my face. So how has your week been going? Because today is Friday. So far, so good. Work from home has been pretty good. I can't complain because, you know, I'm fortunate enough to be working from home. But just, you know, everybody's on the same network, and so systems are slow, but stuff is getting done, and that's what's important. We just have to be patient through this time, and we're all doing the best that we can. All right, so I'm getting closer here. I have all these little baby hairs still, and then I also, I don't know if I lose hair, but it pulls out with my glasses, especially around this side. You can see a bunch of them right here. It'll get caught in my glasses, and then when I pull my glasses off, it's like pulling pieces of hair. So I'm wondering if anybody else has that problem, because I do. Okay, So we're getting to the last parts of curling my hair. Again, very quick, very easy, nothing too complicated. These curls will last in my hair for about 4 days, maybe 5. I normally, when I would go into work, I would wash my hair on Thursday and then again on Sunday. So that's about 4 days there in between. So here, because I have those baby hairs, I'm gonna get kind of close, but not really, because I don't want to burn my forehead. But again, I'll get it this one. I won't leave as much hair out, and then bring that through. Okay, that's all I need to do. Let me turn this off really fast. Okay, nope. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it cool. Just kind of hang out, do what you need to do, iron. Oh, I was on my knees, don't laugh. Okay. We're just gonna kind of leave it, let it cool a little bit longer, but you can see the curls are there. Once it's cooled, I will go in with the flex spray. And what I love about this is it's not like Aquanet. Obviously, it's not like an aerosol. Well, it is, but it's a very, it's a fine mist. Like it's just really nice. And it's not sticky. It doesn't leave your hair crunchy, and it smells phenomenal. Like it's amazing. So, once that's in and it's completely cooled, I will softly and gently go through my hair because I don't want to break up the curl completely because I still want that volume. And then if I need to go in with the pieces and separate it with my fingers, I will. And the same thing on this side, I will just go through loosely, loosen it up. I like to tuck this piece behind my ear. Is just how I prefer to wear my hair. And now my favorite part is the volume, dry blast. I lift and spray. Lift and spray. And I mean, look, this side is like real cochina. Like she's like ready to go out. I love it. It's just so vavoom. Ah, the stuff is so good. And then I'll go back on this side. Lift and spray. Uy, chiquita, look at that. Oh, wow. It's a little volume. She's way too cochina on this side. I need to calm her down. But that is how I fix my hair. Not too hard, not complicated, very easy. I do have, again, the 4 living proof products that I love. They're my favorite. Use it all the time. Super good, and it makes my hair last so much longer, so I'm not having to curl my hair all the time and not putting heat on it every single day, which allows your hair to be healthier, grows faster, looks shinier, and just feels better. So I hope you like it. Have a happy Friday. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me a message and heart this. Bye, guys.